Every time I used NotebookLM, I knew I was locked into Gemini. No switching, no flexibility, no control. And the worst part? AI is supposed to make you more powerful, but being stuck with one model actually limits you. So I started looking for something better, and that's when I found Recall 2.0.
This is Parvez Durrani, and you are watching Guru Tech Solutions.
Now, this isn't just another AI tool. Recall is basically a place where your knowledge and your AI live together. You can save anything, YouTube videos, PDF files, articles, even TikToks, and it automatically summarizes, organizes, and connects everything for you. So here in the saved knowledge base, if we click on any content, you'll see that a concise summary is already generated. And from here, you can do a lot more. On the right-hand side, you have the assistant. This is your AI that can chat with your saved knowledge. For example, you can ask something like, "Can I publish this website?" Unlike NotebookLM, where you're limited to just Gemini, Recall gives you the freedom to choose. You can use different AI models with your knowledge base. For example, you can select between different knowledge sources like Web or Recall, and then from here you can choose top-tier models like ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, Grok, or DeepSeek. So the main drawback of NotebookLM is that you're locked into one model, like Gemini, but with Recall, you can use any model you prefer, which is honestly one of its best features. Now let's see how to set up Recall. The setup is very simple. First, you install the browser extension. Once installed, just pin it to your browser and it'll appear like this. Now open any YouTube video. While watching, click on the extension and instantly it generates a concise summary of that video. Below the summary, you'll also see a chat option where you can interact with the AI about that specific content. If you want to save it, just click the Save button and it will be added to your Recall knowledge base. Here you can see the video we just saved. You can repeat this process for any content and build your own connected knowledge system. Now let's look at some other features. When you open any content inside your knowledge base, you'll notice there are a bunch of powerful features available, and today I'm going to walk you through all of them. Now, if you don't feel like reading through everything, you can use the Listen feature. Inside this feature, you can select any language, choose from a variety of available voices, or even use a custom voice. And by custom voice, I mean you can literally clone your own voice and have it read the content back to you. How cool is that?
Workflow is presented that allows users to turn a research notebook into a fully functional modern website without writing.
If you're someone who prefers listening over reading, this feature is an absolute game changer. Next up, we have the chat feature, which we touched on earlier. Here, you can directly chat with your content. Then we have the reader option. In this section, you can read the full transcript of your knowledge base content. And if your content includes a video, you can also view the complete transcript along with timestamps. Super handy when you need to jump to a specific moment. Now, here's where things get really exciting. The quiz feature. You can create quizzes directly from your content. Just click on Generate Questions, and you'll be able to select the number of questions you want, the type of questions, multiple choice, true or false, or fill in the blanks, and even the difficulty level. Once everything is set, hit Generate Questions, and it builds a quiz for you instantly. After the quiz is generated, you can start it right away, and it will test you based on your own content. Whether you're a teacher, a student, or just someone who wants to test their understanding, this feature is incredibly useful. Now, let's say you want to share that quiz with your friends or students. Head over to the Connections section and use the Share option. It will generate a shareable link that you can send to anyone. And the best part? They don't need to log in or sign up. They just click the link and attempt the quiz. That's it. Simple and seamless. Speaking of connections, let's talk about that feature in more detail. Inside the Connections option, you can create connections within your notebook by clicking the button there. You can also view existing connections within your content. For example, you might see connections like NotebookLM or Google Gemini, and you can open those and read their content as well. Now, let's put this to the test with a real use case. We'll enter this prompt. Summarize everything I have learned about AI tools in the last 1 month and give me a plan to utilize them. Next, we select where we want the results from. In this case, we've selected Recall plus Web. Then we choose our chat model, for example, Claude 4.6, and click Start. The AI begins generating the content, and once it's done, look at this output. It creates a full summary of all the AI tools you've learned, organized into clear categories like autonomous agents and workflows, academic and research tools, and content creation and development tools. And on top of that, it generates a complete phase-wise utilization plan, showing you exactly how to put these tools to use step by step. If you want to save this result, just click Add to Notebook, and it's saved. You can come back and access it anytime. This notebook feature is genuinely one of the most useful things for keeping important information organized and accessible. Now, sometimes you might feel a little lost in all the content you've been consuming. That's where the graph view comes in. When you open the graph, you'll see a visual representation of your entire knowledge base. Each small dot represents a piece of content, and if you hover over them, you can see related topics connected to that content. Some nodes appear bigger than others, meaning those topics come up more frequently across your knowledge base. And you might also notice that some nodes overlap, indicating that those topics are connected across multiple pieces of content. This graph makes it incredibly easy to understand how your knowledge is linked together, and it helps you see whether the content you're consuming is actually building on itself, making your learning far more structured and productive. Let's try another use case. We'll enter this prompt. Turn all my knowledge base into 5 viral ideas for my story. Basically, we want to generate content ideas from everything we've saved. And just like that, it creates 5 viral ideas based on your knowledge base. Each idea comes with a hook and a content outline already prepared for you. You can review the content and even see exactly where the information was pulled from. And it includes proper citations showing which videos or sources were used. For content creators who constantly struggle to come up with fresh ideas, this is a massive time saver. Whenever you hit a creative block, this tool, combined with the right prompt, can get you unstuck in seconds. Now let's look at one more use case. Here, we've added content about large language models, how they work, what they're capable of. We simply write this prompt. Convert everything about LLMs in the knowledge base into key insights, resources, and references. We enter the prompt, select Recall Only, meaning we're pulling exclusively from our knowledge base with no external sources, and click Start. Recall begins collecting information, and the results are genuinely impressive. It generates detailed content covering the core architecture and training of large language models, key capabilities and emergent behaviors, practical applications of LLMs and AI tools, and even their limitations and evaluation. All of this pulled directly from the content you provided. No fluff, no filler, just clean, organized insights from your own knowledge base. So, what do you think about these use cases? This tool takes your content and turns it into something genuinely useful and productive. It saves you time, keeps your knowledge organized, and helps you get more out of everything you consume. And the best part? You can always come back, reuse your content, and build on it even further. If you want to try it out, I'll leave the link in the description. You can use my code GURU25 for 25% off on annual subscription or monthly max plan. Hurry up, it is valid until 1st June 2026. If you found this helpful, make sure you like, share, and subscribe because there's a lot more coming. I'll see you in the next one.